Tombo in 7/4, grade 7. Tombo in 7/4 is a piece by the famous Brazilian percussionist Ayrton Moreira. It's quite a famous piece. It was used for, I think, a football World Cup in the adverts, and it gets played on the radio a lot. It's a really, really interesting piece. Obviously it's in 7/4, the title says it all. So the time signature is quite tricky, making it groove, making it sit. There's also an awful lot of coordination needed here. You need to be quite comfortable with Samba rhythms and making those sits and four-way coordination and everything that's going on. There's an awful lot dynamically going on, and in terms of touch and articulation and shaping rhythms, making them groove so they don't just sound flat.